Under problem 20 of the 2015 MIT Integration B first round, the definite integral from x equals to 0 to x equals to pi of cosine of x plus pi over 4 plus x plus cosine of x minus pi over 4 plus sine of 4x minus sine of x over 4. Certainly tricky, but if you know your trigonometry, it's probably very easy. So let's go ahead and see how we may be able to solve. This is a very interesting problem. The first two items of the integrand, or the components of the integrand, would require you to know some basics of trigonometry, and that is if you know cosine a plus b is equal to cosine a cosine b minus sine a sine b, and then also if you know cosine a plus, minus b being cosine a cosine b plus sine a sine b. So if you add cosine a plus b plus cosine a minus b, means that you have twice cosine a cosine b. And that's what you would straight away know what to do, right? And because the negative sign a and positive sign, the negative sign a sine b and the positive sign a sine b would just cancel out. So here what you would have is we have twice cosine x cosine pi over 4 plus sine 4x minus sine x over 4. And cosine pi over 4 is root 2 over 2, which is straightforward, or 1 over root 2, however way you want to do. 1 over root 2 is what we chose. Probably root 2 over 2 would have been a much easier way of looking at it. So you have root 2 over 2 times 2, which is just root 2. But whatever works for you is okay. So and then when integrated, you have 2 over root 2 sine x minus a quarter cosine 4x sine 4x integrated plus 4 times cosine x over 4. And obviously sine pi is 0, sine 0 is 0. So this initial term is just going to fizzle out. But let's just do our due diligence. So we have 2 over root 2 sine pi minus quarter sine 4 pi plus 4 cosine pi over 4 for the upper limit minus 2 over root 2 sine 0 minus a quarter sine, cosine 0 plus 4 cosine 0. And as we say, these first terms fizzle out. So we are left with now a minus a quarter. Cosine pi is just going to be, cosine 4 pi is going to be 1. So we have minus a quarter plus 4. Cosine pi over 4 is going to be root 2 over 2. So that's what we've put, minus sine 0 is 0. So and cosine 0 is 1. So we're minus a quarter plus cosine 0 is 0, obviously. Plus 4, and so minus this becomes positive, so this a quarter and this a quarter would cancel out, and you're left now with 4 times root 2 over 2 minus 4, and so that becomes root 2 times root 2 minus 4, and that is the answer that we were looking for.